Oh, there's a fish on. Oh crap. Do you think, buddy? What's up, guys? Welcome back. Just want to do a little introduction before we get to the fishing. I have already fished, so this introduction is done afterwards. So if you're seeing this video, that means I caught something. So we still got the boat out of the water. Gonna take it, put it in the shop for a little bit, get the oil changed and some stuff done to it. So I've been mainly bouncing around doing different kinds of land-based fishing. And we're gonna start this video off on the beach. I always pick the worst days. I check the weather the night before and it doesn't seem bad. And then I get out there and, you know, can't see your hand in front of your face. It's so foggy, or there's like 8-foot swells. Like, never works out. So today we started out on the beach for a little bit. Then after that, we started getting some more black drum up near the house. We don't ever get any really big ones, but we've been catching a lot more small ones. There we go. Oh no, he ain't a keeper, but fun little fight. Hear him drumming. All right, let's get you off, buddy. And the other night, my brother-in-law actually caught a pretty decent size, perfect eating size. So that got me thinking maybe they're here this year. Like, we've never caught them any good keeper size here. So I'm gonna go out. Not gonna go out. I already went out. So the second part of the video will be me at the dock targeting some good keeper size black drum. So stick around. I think you'll enjoy, and see you guys. Around trying to find the fish all morning. Finally stopped underneath this bridge and getting some little bites. I always pick the worst days to come surf fishing. The front beach was just too rough. It was foggy, as you can see out there. Birds are feeding all underneath there. How's it going? You care if I throw up current and just let it drift down? I can be in your way? Little something. But I will take it. Hooked in the gills. Be a perfect bait. Oh, right away. Got a whole bunch of them out there. Oh, this might be a little bit better. Instant. Yeah, he's a little bit better. I mean, not big by any means, but. Okay, I lied. I don't know if these are baby white trout or. I don't think they are. Maybe some silver perch. Ground mullet. Jeez. No better about. I do got one. Biggest one yet. sharp gill plates. I don't know what these are, but they're everywhere in the water. There's so many, you can just catch them with your hand. See them? Little fish. Oh man, I'm all done if you want to use. Come on. Yeah. I done broke off. I threw there a million times, didn't break off. In the last 3 casts, broke off 3 times in a row. I don't know what it was. Y'all have a good one. Oh, there's a fish on. Oh crap. I came up here to change my bait. Oh, nice fish on. That's this what I came for. Yes. Oh gosh, get me out. I'm gonna walk down the pier. Nice fish, nice fish, nice fish. Oh, literally didn't even see a hit. Perfect eating size. That's what I came for. I've never seen them this big here. We get the baby puppy drums. Let's see if I can get them down. God, I wish I had my net. Really light rod. Let him do his thing out there. Try not to get him around this pier. All right, there we go. Come on. Let's land this fish. Do your thing, buddy. Tighten you up a little bit. Yeah, play him out. Play him out. Yes. Nice. That's what I wanted. Perfect eating size. So I can get him up without breaking. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on. Get that leader, get that leader. Get up here. Yeah, baby. Yes. Perfect. Yes. No telling how long he was on there. Where's that hook at? Yes. Never caught him this big here. This ain't big by any means. Perfect eating size though. Fat. Oh. So I can get this hook out of him. Did not see a hit at all. Been watching that thing for 10 minutes. Finally decided to throw out another bait, rigged it up. Took me 10 seconds to turn around, reeled this one in, and boom, he was on there. Let's catch some more. All right, check this one out. Perfect size. This joker's fat guy. All right, let's see if we can get a few more. I came down here 4 puppy drum. I was hoping to catch some big ones. And this is about as big as I've ever seen here, which I will take this size all day long. So I came down here about an hour before I started fishing and laid the shrimp out to thaw. And when I got down here, I had left the refrigerator open all night long. So tons of bait in there. But at least it was already thawed out, and probably gonna have to throw it away after today. We are back rigged up. We'll watch this for a second, and then we'll go check that other pole. Yeah, last one wasn't getting off. Circle hook did not do its job. He had already started digesting that shrimp by the time I caught him. Oh, that broke it. Oh shoot, good hit over there. Not a good hit, but a hit. Ooh, I tightened her down. I got her. Yeah, I got whatever it is. Ain't big. Yeah, I got whatever it is. Oh, it ain't bad. I mean, out in the middle, it'd probably be a handful of things, probably. Got some weight to it. About 1.5 pounds. And this ain't a catfish. I give all my subscribers $100. Staying down. Some head shakes though. Still ain't a stingray. Oh, this thing's good. Okay. It's nice, whatever it is. Oh, it is a catfish, so I'm not out money, but it's a big one. Oh god. I'll take a big one like that. Broke off my Carolina rig, but got this nice guy out deep. Big channel cat. Oh, you can see him. Big guy. Put up a good fight. Hey. Hey. What? Yeah, I just caught a big black drum though. Yeah, pretty. My biggest one ever, probably. Here in the next couple months, the sharks should move in, so we're gonna spend a lot of time out here in the dock, or in the boat and on the dock catching sharks. And in May is when the big mama should move in to have their pups. So we're gonna try to catch a few big ones and do some shark catching cooks from the dock. All right, broke off my Carolina rig, so I'm tying another one on. I'm gonna throw this jig head out. I'll just put a BB weight on, or a split shot on there to make it a little heavier. Then a big chunk of shrimp. This hook will bend out very easily if I do get something decent size, so it's only saggy part. There we go. Perfect spot. There he is. I got him. Oh, did he get off? Dadgummit. Oh, he had it. Shoot. Good hit. But like I said, maybe a little too good for this hook. Should be about slack tide now, so hopefully in about 30 minutes. About 30 minutes, start moving again. You get a few more bites before we call it quits. There we go. A little pull. There he is. Oh, I got it. He was on there. Did he come off? Oh, did he come off? Oh. Nah, okay. Well, this is the worst thing you can catch out here. And you always catch them at slack tide. Least favorite thing in the world to catch. Normally they swallow it, but he did not. There it goes. He's gonna find himself back to the water. There he goes. All right. And that's what you catch at slack tide here. Oh, we are back at it. My third-person camera keeps shutting off saying battery's low when it's at 54%, so sorry if it's mostly hands in this video. So you see all this poop right here? There's 2 owls that live up there. They've lived up there for 2-3 years now. We find their babies all the time. They fall out.
Why?
Found a baby owl fell out of the boathouse.
But can I touch
It was like the
it?
4th one.
Can I please touch it?
No, but we can't touch it.
Why? What's that fur on him?
He's still alive right now. We called some people that take him in.
Is he okay?
Let's move that. Can you move that stick away from him?
Where?
The one that's poking him in the side right there?
Right there?
Yeah, the one right here.
Let me see.
Not that one, not that one. Oh.
Oh,
Jeez.
Oh, jeez. I cannot move. But sorry, Daddy.
No, you're good, buddy. Look how big his wings
Why
are.
is he doing that?
I was making sure he's not getting bit by ants. He's just scared right now.
What? What, Daddy? Is he okay? I wish he was okay.
They are creepy looking when they're babies. So comment below if you know what this is. All right, I'm gonna tell you, it is owl throw up. They eat other birds and then they throw them up in these little balls all over our fish and stuff. But yeah, they've lived up there for about 2 years now. Just had another big bite. Don't feel as heavy as the last one, but not an eel. Let me tell you that. So I can walk him over, see what he is. Another black drum. There we go. This one is not a big one. They put up a good fight though. He's still bigger than the ones we normally catch out here. They're about the same size. Nice. There we go. Black drum number 2 today. All right, black drum number 2 today. Small one. This is about the average size we catch, but hopefully get a couple more big ones. All right, good sign. We just got our first bite in a while, so hopefully that means the tide has turned. Oh, not where I wanted to be. Let's try that again. If that sun would stay out, that would just be ideal. Because I'm not dressed for the shade.